Welcome. In this video, I will answer the question, what is Wi-Fi calling on Android? So Wi-Fi calling is indeed a handy Android feature that allows you to make and receive calls using a Wi-Fi networks rather than your typical cellular network. Obviously, it is a feature that uses Wi-Fi connection to improve the quality of your phone calls, both on the receiving and, sending end, should I say. So to generalize or to sum it up, Wi-Fi calling is there to improve the quality of your phone calls, to improve its stability using the Wi-Fi network rather than cellular or mobile networks. With this explanation out of the way, let me quickly show how you can switch this feature on or off on your Android device. First step that you need to take is to launch settings. Next, I suggest that you open the settings search and simply type in the Wi-Fi calling query, which should provide you with a direct result saying Wi-Fi calling somewhere here. Here it is. Now you can just open this page and switch it on if you'd like to try it out, or vice versa, switch it off if you do not feel like this feature is helping. And sometimes it is also useful to disable the Wi-Fi calling if you're troubleshooting some phone call connectivity issues as well. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below. But as for now, thanks for watching and bye bye.